This app's appears show you
How to clear search history on Chrome browser in iPhone. Follow these easy steps to clear your search history on Chrome browser. Go ahead and launch Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. And now tap on this three dot at the bottom right. And here select settings. Once you are in your Chrome browser settings page here, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And here tap on clear browsing data. Now tap on time range. You can select last hour or last 24 hours, last 7 days or last 4 weeks to delete your search histories. But I select all time and it will delete my all search histories. Once you selected your time range, go back from here. And now make sure to select browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And if you want to also delete saved passwords and autofill, then you have to check these two boxes. But I don't want to delete my saved passwords and autofill, so I'm going to deselect these. And now all you have to need, just tap on clear browsing data. Clear browsing data. And that's it. This is how we can clear our search history on Chrome in iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.